looking at today's situation and the biggest inoculation drive that we are looking as of now, the mammoth exercise that India is getting up. What are your thoughts on today? Anything, especially when it comes to giving out advice to all of those people who will be vaccinated today, especially the healthcare workers and the frontline workers?
I think it's a historic day, that such a large vaccination drive is going to start today, and which is being flagged by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. I think we all have been waiting for this. 2019 had been very painful to all of us. We have been the frontline warriors. We have been working tirelessly and relentlessly in the hospital, and I think this is what we are looking for. And we hope that this vaccination drive takes away the fear and the people come forward. Of course, the first drive is going to be amongst the healthcare professionals, the paramedical staff, and we are quite excited and eagerly waiting for the vaccination drive to start. And as you know, that about 3,000 centers have been set up, and close to about 3 lakh vaccinations will be done in per day. And I myself, being at Max, we are the main nodal center in the entire North India who have done relentless work in the COVID times, and we also would be receiving the COVID vaccine.
When it comes to any of this misinformation drive, Doctor, because there are several questions and those questions are not ending when it comes to the queries regarding the vaccine, what would be its side effects, how effective would it be, something that we've still seen that has been happening there on ground. Anything that you have also heard on the same, and would advise our viewers watching the broadcast right now to actually not fall into such misinformation drive?
See, no doubt we must congratulate our scientists, we must congratulate our health ministry and all the people who have worked tirelessly in the last about 1 year in developing this vaccine. As all of us know, a vaccine takes about close to 2 to 3 years of its complete trials. But, with this pandemic, which has actually swept away across the world, this vaccine has been really the hard work of all the scientists in the country. And we must respect that. And if we are the people who are not going to take the vaccine, how the common man will take the vaccine? So I think the onus is on to the health professionals, and we are ready to do that. And there are a lot of rumors regarding the efficacy of the vaccine. Let me tell you, both the vaccine, the Covishield and the Covaxin, are quite safe. And they have Covishield has shown an efficacy of close to 70% after the first dose, and maybe 90%, approximately 90% after the second dose. So we shouldn't shy away from getting this vaccine. Yes, minor allergies, minor fever complaints can come up, and that is why they have decided to have an observation time of around 30 minutes. And I actually, humble request to all the viewers and everyone to have a belief in the vaccine and get yourself vaccinated as and when your turn comes.
Absolutely. The first wave will take at least several months now. We are looking at when it will be completed, yes. Because looking at the population and the kind of healthcare workers and frontline workers that have been working non-stop since last year, since the outbreak what was reported in India, they have a right to be on the top priority list to be vaccinated first. Dr. Mrig, it's been a pleasure having you on air right here on Republic. Thank you very much, sir, for joining us this morning.